Welcome back to Rise to Success, the home of real stories that inspire real change. Today we bring you the incredible journey of a man who went from having everything to losing everything, and then rebuilding his life stronger than ever before. A man who became the symbol of comeback, courage, and transformation. This is the story of Robert Downey Jr., the real Iron Man. Stay with us till the end, because his journey might change your life forever. Robert Downey Jr. was born on April 4, 1965, into a creative family. His father, Robert Downey Sr., was a film director and his mother was an actress. But behind the spotlight, his childhood was filled with chaos. At just 8 years old, Robert was introduced to drugs by his own father. What started as a small experiment quickly became a destructive addiction. Robert later said, "When your father is taking drugs with you, what are you supposed to think? That it's bad." Growing up, he was talented, charming, and already acting in films. People believed he was born to be a star. But addiction slowly became the enemy that followed him everywhere. Throughout the 90s, he delivered brilliant acting performances. He was nominated for an Oscar. He became famous, rich, and admired, but behind the success, his personal life was falling apart. He was arrested multiple times, he was fired from films, dropped by producers, and labeled as unreliable. His wife left him, his friends gave up on him. Even Hollywood stopped believing in him. There came a point when he was sleeping on the floor alone with handcuffs on his wrists. People said, "Robert Downey Jr. is finished." One night in 2001, Robert was arrested again. Sitting alone in a dark jail cell, he looked at his life and realized, "If I continue like this, I will die." That moment became the turning point. He made a decision to fight for his life. Recovery wasn't easy. He spent years in rehab, he worked simple jobs, he took tiny roles just to survive. But for the first time, he was rebuilding slowly, step by step. Robert once said something powerful: "The moment you decide not to give up, everything changes." In 2007, Marvel was planning a new superhero movie, Iron Man. Almost every studio rejected the idea of casting Robert. They said he was too risky, too unstable, too broken. But one person believed in him, director Jon Favreau. He said, "Robert is Tony Stark. He knows what it means to fall and rise again." Marvel took the biggest risk in superhero film history, and the rest is history. In 2008, Iron Man was released. It changed Robert's life forever. It changed Hollywood forever. And it changed millions of lives around the world. From a man people laughed at, he became one of the most loved and highest paid actors in the world. He led the Avengers franchise worth billions of dollars. He became a global hero, not just on screen but in real life. Robert Downey Jr.'s story teaches us something powerful. You are never too broken to rebuild. Your past does not define your future. Every failure can become the reason you succeed. He once said, "You have to find the thing you love and let it save you." So if you are struggling, if people doubt you, if you feel like giving up, remember this: heroes are not those who never fall, heroes are those who rise again. Keep fighting, keep believing, and always rise to success.